Hello teachers, my name is Carla Calderon. In this video, I'll show you how I use the sound from a previous activity into a new one. I will first go to the activity that has the sound that I want to use. Click on the three dots and select copy and edit. This will make you a new copy. I will click on the student template since this is where the sound I want to use is, and I will add a new page. I will add the image that I want to use as my new background. I will go to the page in which the sound that I want to use is. I will select the sound that I want to use and click on Ctrl C. And now I will go to the page that I want to add this into and click on Ctrl V. And now I'm just going to fix it wherever I want this to be on and add all the sounds that I want. Once I've added all the sounds, I will delete all the other pages that I don't need. And ta-da! Here's my new activity using the sounds from a previous activity. Now I'm just adding the letters, and yes, I'm doing it in a different way from last time. And just like I promised, you can find the link to this activity in the description of this video. I only have this activity in Spanish, but I wanted to share the idea with you guys in case you want to create your own. So basically the vowels, they're crazy, they went everywhere and they're not in their correct house. So basically the students will click on the play button and listen for the letter sound and put the vowels back to their place. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.